Students, today I am going to discuss the question number 8 of exercise 6.1. See the question. Write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. Minus 20 is a negative integer which comes to the left of 0 on the number line. Here we are asked to write down the 4 negative integers which are greater than minus 20. Student, we know that when we go to the left of 0 on a number line, the value of the number goes on decreasing. So if we go to the left further to the integer minus 20, we'll get the integer which are less than minus 20, right? But here we are asked to write down the negative integers which are greater than minus 20. So we need to go to the right of minus 20 to obtain the integer which are greater than minus 20. So when you go to the right of minus 20 on a number line, what will you get? You will get minus 19, minus 18, minus 17 and minus 16 and so on. So these are the integers which are greater than minus 20. Now coming to the B of question number 8. Write 4 negative integers less than minus 10. Here again minus 10 is the negative integer which comes to the left of 0 on a number line. And we are asked to write down the 4 negative integers which are less than minus 10. Now just now we have seen as we go to the left of 0 on the number line, the value of the number goes on decreasing, right? So if we further go to the left of minus 10, we'll get the integer which are less than minus 10, right? So what will you get when you go to the left of minus 10 on a number line? You will get minus 11, minus 12, minus 13 and minus 14. So these are the negative integers which are less than minus 10. Now let's see the question number 9. Here you are asked to write down true or false. If the statement is false, then correct the statement. Now see the first statement. Minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 on a number line. You have to write down whether it is true or false. Minus 8 is to the right of minus 10. Yes, it is true. If the statement is true, then there is no need to correct it. Now see the second statement. Minus 100 is to the right of minus 50. No, it's a false. Minus 100 is not to the right of minus 50. Then what will be the correct statement? Minus 100 is to the left of minus 50. Third one. Smallest negative integer is minus 1. No, this one is false. Minus 1 is not a smallest negative integer. This is the greatest negative integer. So we can write it as greatest negative integer is minus 1. Because we know that on a number line, when we go to the left of the 0, value goes on decreasing, right? So when we go to the left of minus 1, we will get the integer which are less than minus 1. So we cannot say that minus 1 is the smallest one. This is the biggest one. And the last one, minus 26 is greater than minus 25. On a number line, minus 26 comes to the left of minus 25, right? It means minus 26 is not greater than minus 25. In fact, it is smaller than minus 25, right? It means the given statement is false. And the correct one is minus 26 is smaller than minus 25.